Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can alter the 3D view of your 3D chart types by using the Choose a Viewing Angle dialog box. To access this dialog box, first select the 3D chart type whose display you want to change. Then choose Chart and then the 3D Viewing Angle command from the menu bar. Note that this command will not be available for charts that use the new depth feature within Crystal Reports, but only for true 3D chart types as selected within the Chart Expert. The Choose a Viewing Angle dialog box is used to pan, rotate, and move your 3D chart within the chart area. To quickly change the 3D view of your chart, you can click one of the preset pictures that represent the types of 3D views that are available to use from the listing of views shown. If you want to make your own custom 3D view, click the Advanced Options button in the upper right corner of the dialog box to expand the dialog box to the right. You will see 4 tabs which can be used to make your own custom 3D adjustments: Rotate, Pan, Walls, and Move. On the Rotate tab, you can click the arrow buttons in the image to the right of the X, Y, and Z letters to change the rotation of the currently selected view. You can click the Pan tab and then click the arrows displayed in the image or to the right of the X, Y, and Zoom labels to change the perspective on the 3D view. On the Walls tab, you can click the arrow buttons in the image or to the right of the X, Y, and Z labels to increase or decrease the thickness or length of the walls in the chart. If you click the Link checkbox, then you will only need to click the X coordinate to also increase or decrease the Y and Z coordinates at the same time. You can click the Move tab to change the position of the 3D chart in the chart area by clicking on the arrows in the diagram to move the selected chart view, or by clicking the arrows to the right of the X, Y, and Z labels. You can then click one of the buttons at the right side of the dialog box to determine what you would like to do after making your custom 3D view. You can click the Save button to save your changes over the currently selected preset view, or you can click the Save As button to launch the Enter 3D Viewing Angle preset name, where you can type a new name for your new custom 3D view. Then click the OK button to save the new view as a custom preset view. You can also click the Rename button to launch the Enter 3D Viewing Angle preset name dialog box, where you can type a new name for the currently selected 3D view. Then click OK to save the view with a new name. You can click the Delete button at the right side of the dialog box to delete the currently selected view from the dialog box. You can click the Duplicate button to create a duplicate of the currently selected view within the dialog box. When you have made whatever changes you want to within this dialog box, click the OK button to apply them to your currently selected 3D view.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.